Okay, so see how it has 880 obviously, and then the position. This is if I'm trying to lock in someone for first or second on my own GB. So if I go here, it's 90. Now current GB has 450, but if it was 0, it would still kind of work the same, because you're just trying to find out what the how many forge points you need, which will be 538 to lock it in. So when there's no contender, no person here that has already dropped, you have to put 538 to lock in first, and usually second and higher levels, and whatnot. Now if that's to lock people into your great buildings and their positions, if we go to the neighborhood and say we check this person out right here in their great building, and you wanted to know, like, obviously this person you won't be able to get a position, but let's say this number is, let's just follow that, what their great building is. Current is 386 and the precision is 255. And let's say there was no one on first. If we did that, then when this great building reaches 505, then we would have been able to get the 1.9 rate for first position. But there's no one here for 180, and we select, and it gives me the option, like, yeah, you could lock yourself in, but you're basically putting in the 1.9 rate, which is let's see, it's 255, sorry, 255, which is 485 plus half of whatever they have here, which is 90. Should be 90, I think. Usually it's half, but anyways, you're putting in the missing FPS to get to 505 plus half of what your rival has put, and your 1.9 rate. So it's 635. So if I wanted, like, for whatever reason, if I wanted this position really badly and I needed those blueprints or whatever, then this is how much I would drop, and they'll tell me I'll lose 149. So that's just an idea of that. Okay, this statue suits. He has all positions locked in, obviously. And we'll go here, and let's see, it has 946, 857, and let's see if we go to first. Obviously we're not gonna, there's 245, we're not gonna be able to lock it in, and he has 366. There's only 89 forge points left. So if I take a look at here, 89, and I look here, this position, this gives me 40. So maybe I'll try and look at that. And since this is 40, this guy has 32 on the board. So see, I can drop 61 forge points to take this position out, and I'll make 15, and I'll lock him out of it. So here is me after I dropped 61 forge points, and you can see 28 points left over on there. So sorry, so 28 points left over here. If he were to add those 28 to that 32 that he had, it would give him 60, and that will be up by 1 forge point.